Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pin comments on TikTok. Now, the pin comment feature on TikTok is not available for all users, but this happens when your account has lots of followers and lots of views. So let's try pinning this comment. So as you can see that there is a comment. Now, how to pin it is you may long press it first, and you can see that there is no pin comment option for this. So what you're going to do is go to Profile and click on the bars on the right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're there, you may scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Once you're in there, you may scroll down again and click on Submit a Report. Now in this page, you'll be writing a feedback that you don't have pin comment feature on your account and you want TikTok to fix it for you. You can write any concerns and requests about getting your pin comment feature on your account. And once you're done, you may click submit. After submitting it, you still have to wait for TikTok to give you a feedback about the problem you just reported. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.